This skinless longganisa was requested by a friend. Shout out to Hey Teban! Yeoooph, as requested, gawa muna tayo ng skinless longganisa. We have half kilo ground pork, yung may taba. We have half cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of iodized salt. Pero kung wala kayo iodized, you have sea salt, you can put 1 tablespoon. But for iodized, we only use 1 teaspoon. And then 1 tablespoon cornflour or cornstarch, and then 6 cloves minced garlic, and 2 teaspoons tspt powder, because we don't have paprika. But if you have paprika, you can use 1 tablespoon paprika, and then 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, and 1.5 tablespoon white vinegar. Yeoooph, ayan, pagkasama-samahin lang natin yung ating mga ingredients. Yeoooph, all we have to do is mix all our ingredients together. Oh, ayan na yung ating longganisa. All the ingredients are mixed together, but before natin siya ibalot, our skinless longganisa, we have to put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes para ma-marinate siya at the same time mag-firm siya. Gawa nung ating cornflour. Yeoooph! Yeoooph! Ayan. Ganyan ang pagbabalot ng ating skinless longganisa. Cling wrap ang ginagamit namin kasi mas madali siyang i-lock sa gilid. Pero if you don't have cling wrap, you can use wax paper or baking paper. Yun nga lang, madali din siyang i-lock pero mahirap pantayin yung side. Yeoooph! Yeoooph! Ito na ang aming finished product. All we have to do is put it in the freezer for at least an hour or 24 hours, much better. Pero kung hindi nyo mauubos, this will last up to 2 months in the freezer. Pero sa amin, hindi na magtatagal to. Isang lutuan lang to. Yeoooph! Before cooking your skinless longganisa, you can thaw it or you can cook it frozen. Yeoooph! Yeoooph! This is how you cook your longganisa. Your skinless longganisa. This is frozen. Actually, frozen or kung na-tone nyo na, you still have to put water around, let's put 1/3 cup of water. 1/3 cup of water. Switch on. And then just let it boil, and once the water evaporates, we can add a little oil later to fry our skinless longganisa. Yeoooph! Yeoooph! Ayan, medyo water has evaporated, so let's add a little oil. So be sure you're on low heat. Low heat pag nilagyan nyo ng oil. Then you always have to turn it kasi baka masunog. Ikot-ikutin nyo para hindi masunog. Yeoooph! Ayan, nung may nakita na kayong medyo brown, nato-toast na yung side ng longganisa, okay na siya. Yeoooph! Siyempre, partner ng longganisa, sunny side up egg. Yeoooph! Then put pinch of salt. Yup. Let's now make garlic rice. But before that, let's make toasted garlic first. Yup. Minced garlic. Maybe around 6 cloves garlic in hot oil. Then just add a pinch of iodized salt. That's it. Tapos ito-toast lang natin. Be sure it's in low heat. Then let's just wait for it to turn slightly brown. Yan. Now that our garlic is slightly brown, okay na siya. Same pan na pinaglutuan ng garlic on medium heat. Let's add a little oil. And then, once the oil is hot, let's add our 4 cups of leftover rice. Use around 4 cups. Leftover that was put in the fridge overnight. But it's okay kung 1 hour lang siya sa fridge. Mas maganda kasi yung cold rice ang isasangag. It's better to fry cold rice so you can easily segregate the rice. So hindi siya sticky. Then let's add a teaspoon of ginisa mix or iodized salt. And then we can add Knorr seasoning to add more taste and to help na madurog yung rice natin. Yup, our fried rice is already cooked. And then let's add a little toasted garlic. Ginawa natin. Add a little. And then later on, you can use the toasted garlic as toppings. Yup. Yup, this is our breakfast for today. Today is Black Saturday. We have our skinless longganisa. We have sunny side up egg, bangus belly, smoked millfish. Of course, we have our garlic fried rice, salted egg, toasted garlic, and fresh tomatoes. Yup, kain na tayo. Let's eat. Yup. Oh, ayan na yung ating longsilog. Runny yung egg, oh, runny egg. Ooh, nice. Yup. This skinless longganisa was requested by a friend. Shout out to John Oliver Po and Danny Salvador. Previously, they're based here in New Zealand. They're now in Australia. They were the star players of Lover Boys team last time when they were still here. John Po and Danny requested the skinless longganisa and garlic fried rice. Yup. And another shout out to the Auckland's 3-point specialist, Mr. Eric Hansen. Yup. Para kay John. Para kay Danny. At Para kay Eric. Yeoooph. Ayan ha. Hanggang dito na lang muna ulit. Ako, conscious kami lahat kumain. Yeoooph.
Hey, Teban!
Yo!